Alright, video 902, let's fucking go. So in the system index, we've added a fractal helper system that any of these fractal systems can use. In const macros by system, we're stubbing in the fractal help constants here. In data by system, we are stubbing in the fractal help data here. We have some aliases for this constructor that takes a new uint32 array using only a length parameter, NUA, new uint array, and we're going to alias this to these four things right here. We're going to use them down here. So we have 7 elements in our array because we can convert a tile size exponent 0 through 6 to a GTX minimum, GTX maximum, GY minimum, and then a GY maximum. So these are all GTX, GTY bounds for a tile that is within a hit area, right? Data, fractal help, hit area, member variable, informal namespace belonging to hit area, tile size exponent converted to the different tile bounds. This was a contender for this name up here, but now this is a monkey wrench macro. Let's go down to the next section. Okay, beneath tile fed is the fractal help function section. We have a helper function that's going to take a tile size exponent in a GTX and GTY, convert it to a hit area. So a hit area, basically it is going to help me with this problem here. If I click here, I want to know all of the larger power of 2 tiles behind my click and all of the smaller power of 2 tiles in front of my click. So here is the inputs, and then we have an output parameter called hit area. We have a summary of what this function does, and we have some error checking of inputs here. So check the tile size exponent, throw an error for out of bounds, get the global max index for GTX GTY. If GTX GTY is out of bounds, throw an error. And if the output hit area struct is not equal to our reusable struct, then we're gonna fucking crash. More code to follow in another video. Then down here in fractal bucket, in the fill function within this while loop in the flood fill algorithm in this bus to the orphanage, right here I made a little footnote as to why this is C for outgrow, and then also I'm reviewing this line of code. There's a C here, and that was a bug fix that I forgot to talk about. And then we're pretty much done. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I have no more time. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here, but we have no time here. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji.